Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Thanks for joining me again. Today we'll be doing a little cook on the OHJ Bronco. We'll try something new with the fire management. I'll show y'all here in a minute. But we're going to be doing some St. Louis style ribs. And Uncle Steve has got a new rub in the works. I will tell you, I don't know what all's in it. He wants me to try it. Steve, thank you for sending that out, man. I'm looking forward to trying it. And I did take a little pinch. It got some kick, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Good flavor, but we're gonna put it on some meat and see. But it's got some red pepper flakes in it, and it's also got a little bit of jalapeno powder. Anyway, we're gonna hit the ribs with that, and we're also gonna use some SuckleBusters. What is this? Sweet spicy mustard gold. We're gonna hit it with some of that barbecue sauce there. So y'all go check out Uncle Steve, man, at UncleSteveShake.com, and SuckleBusters.com. And I also got a new toy we're gonna check out. I got a Flame Boss Wi-Fi thermometer, just a little base model. It doesn't run any kind of blower fans or heat management fans or anything like that. Just a base model, four probe unit. Comes with a rechargeable battery, USB cable, all that stuff. And I found that on Amazon.com. probe holders come with 2 probes. We're gonna roll with that and see how that goes. And so let me get all this put together, and I'll meet y'all by the cutting board. All right, gang, welcome back. Put a little bit on here like that. Oh, look at that. That's pretty color, I tell you that. Yeah, buddy, look at them red pepper flakes, y'all. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I can smell the jalapeno. Man, that smells good. All right, y'all. Let me get the other side done. We'll be back in just a second. All right, we got that did, man. Y'all look at that. Look at all that popping flavor. Look on the cutting board, man. Look at that. Red pepper flakes, pepper. You definitely smell the goodness in this one, man. All right, let's go light the grill. All right, y'all. This is the original charcoal basket that comes with the Bronco. Holds a good bit of charcoal. I actually got a square charcoal management basket that actually goes into the Oklahoma Joe offset smokers. And man, it fits in here perfectly. I got it loaded with some raw oak lump charcoal, and the deflector plate sits nicely on top. I'll show you all that here in just a second, but let's get this dude lit up, and we'll get it going. I'll be back with y'all in just a minute. All right, y'all, let's power this Flame Boss on, and it's gonna flash like that until it finds your Wi-Fi. And this is the app for it right there, if y'all can see that without too much glare. Showing online, it detected it. And you got your different temperatures and stuff, just like all your other thermometers and everything. There it is, it picked it up, 73. And you can go over here, you can set your timer, you'll get a text or whatever, let you know for your cooks and everything. Now see that heat deflector in there? Check that out, man. It sits perfectly where it normally sits, just above that basket right there. So that's pretty neat. We're gonna try that out, y'all. Back in a few. This up to temp. Let's get these bad boys on here. Switch them up a little bit. Get our little probe in here. Boom. Alright. Get her closed down. And we'll see what we got. We'll check on the temp here in a little bit. We got the Bronco dialed in about 325. The meat temp is sitting on 111. I'm gonna probably run these ribs up, you know, around 200, 205, something like that. And we'll run out there and check it here in a little bit with the little javelin thermo pin. But pretty neat, y'all. Flame Boss is saying the meat is 156. Let's go out here and see. 225. This thing is a cooking machine. Boy, I love this thing. Oh, y'all watch the smoke. So I put 3 chunks of, look at that, man. The airport has been busy today. Anyway, sorry about that, y'all. Let's see what our ribs are temping. Let's go in right here where our 157, 158. Alright, boy, that's close. Within a few degrees, huh? Like that, y'all. But man, the basket is working out good. I don't know if y'all can see down in there or not, but it's working really well. Let's close the lid before we lose all our heat. Anyway, alright, gang, we'll come back and check on it a little bit. We inside chilling now. Rib temp is 173. This is pretty neat, man. You can actually do your graph temperature and time right here. Pretty cool, huh? You can go all the way back and see what your temps were and everything like that. If you had any spikes or what have you. You can title it whatever, you know, ribs or what have you. Pretty neat, man. Anyway, enough goofing around with this, y'all. We'll go check on the ribs in a little bit. Flame Boss is showing 192. That's what it says on my phone. Let's go in right here and see. 194, 195. 194. Okay, yeah, a couple of degrees. That ain't bad, man. Nice and tender. Cool. Look at that. Get this lid back down. Oh, we have a flame up here. Got the throttle back a little bit. Alright. We'll be back. Alright. We sitting on 204. Oh, look at that. That looks nice, y'all. Well, let's get us a little bit of glaze on here. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Alright, y'all. We're going to give that probably about 5-7 minutes, something like that, and we'll be back. Alright, gang, we are done. Oh yeah, let's get them bad boys off of there. We're gonna let them rest a minute. Alright, gang, y'all, welcome back, man. We're gonna finish this up out on the deck. Well, let's see here, guys. Looking pretty good, man. That worked, huh? Roll one of them bones out. Yeah, baby. Let's do this. Let's go down the other end. Get us one out the middle here. Still hot. Still hot, y'all. Good gracious. Good looking rib and good looking rub, man. Alright. There you go, folks. Got a little smoke on it. Alright, y'all come up here and let's get us a bite of this goodness. And hopefully y'all can hear me okay outside. Cheers to you, gang. Bring in the heat, baby. Ooh, afterburner. Nice pull off, huh? How y'all like that? Holy smokes, y'all. Brother Steve, that rub tastes good. Got some kick. It is good though. Tell you what, it's good. If y'all like heat and it's not overpowering, Steve, I like it. Good job, my brother. I'm impressed with that. And the SuckleBusters barbecue sauce, the sweet, spicy mustard gold is good. Also, it's got some good little spice to it. Nice combination, y'all. I like this. And oh, the fire basket did really well. I think it actually generates a lot more heat a lot quicker when you do your adjustments than the original basket is. So I'm gonna keep that one in there. But not bad, y'all. I'm liking it. Anyway, hey, appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all next weekend. Bye bye.